Hi, it's Saturday. We're doing things from the floor in the front room because that's how this week has been. I am back with another bi-weekly food pantry drive-through haul, and I am excited to show you what we got. It was a lot of really amazing things, and I love going just because the people are so kind and nice there. It's bananas here, so I apologize. So we utilize the food pantry in our house because I am a stay-at-home mom. We have an 11-year-old, a 2-year-old, and the baby will be 1 in a week. And my husband works more than full-time. Thank you. And I am able to stay home with them, but we have a very small food budget because of it. So we use the food pantry to help stretch our budget so that we can get things like fruits and vegetables that maybe we wouldn't be able to get. I support anybody who needs to go. It is not my place to tell anybody who needs to go. It's not anybody's place to tell anybody who needs to go. If you feel like you could use the help, go. If you feel like you have enough food, but at the end of the week, you can't put gas in your car, consider going because you can use that money that maybe you save. Maybe it's $10. That's $10 more in your pocket. That helps you feel a little bit better at the end of the week. Oh, gotta sit up. I'm leaning back on the couch. Here, we believe that the food pantry is not just for people who are elderly or homeless. A few weeks back, I got 75 pounds of frozen blueberries. What is someone without a house going to do with 75 pounds of blueberries? I know my mom, who's almost 90, some of the stuff we get is something she couldn't use. She's not going to eat Ninja Turtle mac and cheese. She's not going to be able to eat 4 10-pound pork rows. So it's not just for people like that. It's for anybody who needs help. And it's not our place to tell anybody that they should or shouldn't go. That is between them and the food pantry gods. Okay? So keep it nice and go if you need to go. Someone asked, if you're on food stamps and you still need to go, that's okay. Go. It's not going to take away from your benefits. They don't charge it like an income or anything like that. It's just free food that you get. There are resources below. If you need help, you can even email me and I can try to help find you something if you're having a hard time finding stuff. My arm's getting tired. So I hope you stick around. We do other stuff here. I cook dinner every night for you guys and you don't even show up. So if you want to watch some of that, I use a lot of the stuff that we get from the food pantry in addition to what we get at the grocery store when I go to the grocery store. So welcome. Thanks for coming back because it's nuts here. And I know some of you are probably like, this girl's insane, but I'm gonna go back in the kitchen. I think I can walk away for a second and show you what we got. There's your little preview. Okay, let's start here. There's a cat. Ooh, these are so good. My biggest one loves these. Mini sub rolls, the Hawaiian, King Hawaiian. So they're like sweet. These are interesting pretzel bites. They look good. Tortillas. Always need tortillas in this house. Cranberry orange bread. I bet the middle one would love that. Then we got a bag of walnuts and a box of raisins. Sorry, I went out of order there. 1 packet of top ramen chicken flavor. A 2-pound bag of rice. Sorry, I put the dogs outside so I could record this and they are like, oh, it's time to come in. 7 boxes of mac and cheese. There's 2 Great Value, a Food Club, and then another Great Value, but Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle flavor, or noodle pattern. 3 Crafts, 2 bags of 2-pound split peas. Then we have 2 cans of salmon and 3 peanut butter, which is also a huge help because my biggest one loves peanut butter. 2 cans of garbanzo beans. And I mentioned this last time. I swear, every week we get Fruity Pebbles. Do people not buy Fruity Pebbles? These ones are kind of cool though because they're crunched. So my little ones like them for a snack without milk. Some Boom Chicka Boom popcorn. which is great because these are single serving bags and my big one can take them in her lunch for school. She does homeschool, but she goes 2 days a week to like a homeschooling co-op. Some sugar cookies. These are the cookies that you cook yourself, and I bet my biggest one will love making those. She loves to bake and cook. A pack of chicken garlic sausage. There's 1, 2, 3, 8 in there, I think. This is cage-free wings. Yum. Honestly, this we're not eating this. Which, I don't know what I'm going to do with it. Pork and chicken liver mousse with truffles. I'm sure that's so fancy, but I'm okay. Sometimes you get stuff you don't like, and that's okay. It's okay to not want to eat everything. 2 big containers of peach yogurt, which will get gobbled in this house. Some cottage cheese. 3 packets of mushrooms. And I'll probably throw some of these in for Easter dinner tomorrow. I'm roasting some vegetables. 2 white onions. A veggie wrap. And sometimes with these, you have to smell them and check them out because they're not always good, and that's okay. Sometimes by the time it gets to us, it's not good, like this. This lettuce or this spinach is beyond pick through, so I will just give this to my chickens. If it was just a little bit, I'd pick the stuff out, but that's pretty gone. A bag of oranges. These are tomatoes, but they were under the lettuce, so I don't think that they're, I don't know, those are pretty bad. They'll probably go to the chickens too. Another bag of apples, but this time it is Honeycrisp. Love a Honeycrisp apple. And then 4 heads of this lettuce, and I think these are savable. It's just the outer parts, so that'll be good for a nice Easter salad tomorrow. So thank you so much for stopping by. Again, you deserve to eat. You deserve to eat. You deserve to not feel embarrassed. You deserve to be confident in being able to provide for yourself and your family. Go to the food pantry if you need to. Thank you. See you next time.